Ditch the sugar water. Sugar water is all those sweetened drinks like cola, iced tea, fruit drinks, and energy drinks. The average American drinks over 450 calories every day, which significantly impacts weight loss efforts. Replace sodas and iced teas with water or low-calorie beverages like Crystal Light. Drink more water. Drinking plenty of water is smart. Our bodies can mistake dehydration for hunger, so one of the easiest ways to reset your appetite is to stay hydrated. Remember, if you wait until you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses a day will aid in weight loss. Eat a bigger breakfast. Eating a larger morning meal might mean consuming more calories, but it can also translate into more effective weight loss. In a recent study, people who ate significantly more at breakfast lost 2.5 times more weight than the other group. So don't skip breakfast, or you'll be more likely to binge later in the day. Eat more protein. High-protein foods take more work to digest, metabolize, and use, which means you burn more calories processing them. Your body also needs protein to maintain lean muscle. Women doing resistance training should aim for between 0.54 and 1 gram per pound of body weight. If your target weight is 100 pounds, you would eat between 50 to 100 grams each day. Eliminate processed foods. Packaged foods often contain nasty ingredients and have zero nutritional benefit. Foods like granola bars, deli meats, and crackers have high amounts of sugar and sodium. Limit these foods in your diet for fastest weight loss and overall health. Don't go shopping without a list. Many people make this mistake. You must know beforehand what you need to get at the grocery store for 2 big reasons. For starters, you'll end up making impulse buys of food you know you can't have in the house if you want to stick to your program and lose weight. By making sure to bring a list with you, you can go right to the food items you need. This way, you can avoid all the junk food that the store lays out in a way that takes advantage of weak-willed or unprepared shoppers. It's a lot easier to avoid buying junk if you don't have to see it. Eat before and after exercise. Properly fueling your body for a tough workout is essential for burning fat. When you skip pre- and post-workout meals, you end up burning away muscle and directly impacting your ability to lose fat. Eat a snack containing carbohydrates and protein 30 minutes or so before your workout, and eat a protein-rich meal immediately after. Read food labels. Foods are not always as healthy as they may seem at first glance. You may be surprised what's in certain foods or how many calories are in a serving. Remember that ingredients are listed in descending order, starting with the biggest ingredients first. Many sugars are hidden by using other words, such as sucrose, dextrose, and fructose, as well as high fructose corn syrup. Stay away from partially hydrogenated oils, as these are a source of trans fats. Don't go to extremes. Extreme dieting can have the opposite effect of losing weight. Most diets drastically reduce calories, creating a deficit that saps energy levels and sacrifices lean muscle along the way. Keep your diet simple. A lot of people make eating and nutrition way too complicated and are always trying to figure out what to eat for their next meal. The more complicated you make your diet, the more likely that you'll fall off the wagon and sabotage yourself. When you're starting out, limit your meal variety and keep things plain and simple. Once you get rolling, you can expand your food choices. Practice moderation. You don't need to totally eliminate all of your favorite foods to lose weight, but you should eat them in moderation. There is no reason to deprive yourself of your favorite foods, but don't use working out as reason to reward yourself with bad food choices. Use an app to track your foods. Tracking food used to be a pain, but it's super simple now thanks to all the new smartphone apps available. People who track what they eat make better, more healthier food decisions and are less likely to gain weight. Give your nutrition your full attention. Once you pick a nutritional program, whether it's Atkins, the South Beach Diet, or Weight Watchers, forget about other programs and stick with it. Give it your full attention and you'll see results. Just like with your fitness program, if you constantly jump around from one diet program to the next, you'll never see the results you want. If you're going to follow a diet program, pick one that is simple. The more complicated it is, the less likely you'll stick with it over time. Cardio is all a woman needs to lose weight. The truth is women should be lifting weights. Resistance training has been proven time and time again to increase performance and burn more fat. Combining strength training and interval training with a proper nutrition plan is the ticket to faster, sustainable weight loss. Lifting weights will make me bulky. Most women believe engaging in a strength training program will result in a bulky masculine figure. In reality, countless studies and real-world evidence proves the opposite. Women who do resistance training are stronger, leaner, and healthier than women who do not. Don't be afraid of looking like a bodybuilder. Women simply don't possess the hormones or testosterone necessary to build big muscles like men do. Spot-reducing fat works. The spot-reducing myth is an old one. Your body cannot spot-reduce fat in specific locations. If you have flabby arms or a big stomach, doing thousands of bicep curls and thousands of crunches won't help. No amount of targeted exercise will change this fact. Focus on proper nutrition and strength training with movement that works the largest amount of muscles possible. Foam roller therapy. Foam rollers have become very popular over the last few years as a recovery tool. Using a foam roller for a few minutes before, after, or in between workouts helps loosen up and work out adhesions and trigger points. Rest is very important. Sleep is a very overlooked factor when it comes to losing weight and being healthy. Most people don't get nearly enough sleep. Chronic lack of sleep can cause a variety of health problems. This is also when your body repairs and recovers from your workouts. In order to burn calories, boost your metabolism, and build lean muscle, you need a lot less exercise than most people realize. The crucial aspect of training is quality work, not quantity. If you become chronically overtrained, you'll start going backwards, feeling lethargic, not wanting to work out, getting weaker instead of stronger, and losing hard-earned muscle. Be sure to get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Fish oil. Fish oil is rich in DHA and EPA, two powerful fats responsible for things like increased metabolic rate and improved fat burning, plus a range of other things. For adults, typical recommendations advise using 6 to 12 grams of total fish oil per day. Greens. If you're falling short consuming enough fruits and vegetables each day, a high-quality green supplement can fill the void. Veggies are extremely important in fighting disease, bolstering the immune system, and helping keep weight gain at bay. Green supplements typically contain a potent blend of antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. Protein. Protein powders aren't just for bodybuilders anymore. Protein powders such as whey or casein make a tasty, convenient option when you don't have time for a whole food meal. Most women underestimate their protein requirements and could benefit from protein supplement. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training is becoming the workout of choice for everyday people who want to get in great shape, but lack the time most programs require. HIIT is a great way to target stubborn body fat. Considering the intense nature of interval training, you should stick with a maximum of 3 sessions per week. Perform full body workouts. Don't fall for all that silly split routines where you focus on 1 or 2 body parts per day. Your body works together, and you also burn a lot more calories training that way. If you want to lose that belly fat, you need to start performing intense full-body workouts as part of your exercise regimen. This will maximize your calorie expenditure and make your workouts more efficient as well. Set a routine. Whatever exercise routine you choose, set aside a certain time each day to do it. Individuals who set a routine are much more likely to stay with it and find success than those who simply exercise whenever they have time. The goal to successful weight loss is planning. Consistency is also key. Use big exercises. Stay off the silly machines that isolate one tiny muscle at a time. This is not going to help you in your quest for a flat stomach. You'll maximize the effectiveness of your workouts by performing full-body workouts and compound exercises that target large muscle groups. This includes exercises such as squats, deadlifts, burpees, pull-ups, and kettlebell swings.